it right there, man. Hey, let's even get your name on.
Yes.
Alright, I got somebody out here in just a minute.
Okay, that'll work.
There you go, boys. That N54. Thank you.
We got it.
Yeah.
Now the end part begins. The work.
So we made it back and we made a stop and got some fucking water because we about to do some washing of stuff like the oil pan. We're gonna clean the oil pan because we got to change the oil pan and the gasket and stuff. And here's y'all's boyfriend.
Woo! Woo! So we got this one in. I don't know if we told them, but the one they got in yesterday had a blown head gasket and a bad turbo, so they got us another one that came in with lower miles for the same price. But this one is all-wheel drive, unfortunately, so we got to change it, and we got to change the oil pans, and we got a new oil pan gasket, so that's what we're kind of doing right now, and swapping over in the wiring harness and taking the clutch off. New clutch should be here by tomorrow, hopefully. We'll see.
Right here, it's off and it's for sale.
$2,000.
2G. For real? For real?
Oh, you
I was like, what the? Pornhub.com.
I didn't know I was going to the titty bar tonight.
Y'all see this shit right here? Crazy ass
It's clean
carbon
enough.
buildup. Look at that shit. These N54s are known for that. I know how good the quality is, but we got that as clean as possible. That should feel good.
That's
One down,
good.
5 to go.
We're gonna check out Najid's car.
We got this V6 Mustang out here.
V6.
Yup. V6.
Alright.
Here. Nah, I'm just playing. V6 people are gay. The real deal, guys. And it's a 6-speed. No fake shit right here.
We've been waiting on stuff to come in, but now we finally got everything. Engine's put together. There's my beautiful girlfriend. Say hey, Alex. But we got the motor together, swapped over the turbos, the wiring harness, oil pan. We've done a bunch of shit off camera, just annoying stuff. But now we're about to take this off, throw on his new clutch and flywheel. He had to buy a new flywheel because this motor is 8-bolt crank and his old one was a 6-bolt crank. So he had to swap over flywheels. So we're doing that. Downpipe should be here by tomorrow, right, Troy? We're hoping. But we'll see you in a jiffy. All right, guys. Ready for first start up? Let's send it. She purrs like a kitten. Alright, now we got a lot more work to do. We'll see you guys on the flippity flop. I know we skipped a lot of the process, but you know, there's other videos that are going to be more detailed out there on how to swap a N54 motor, and I just don't have the patience to show you every step. So we got the thing back in. Since it's Corona time, everywhere that you order is just on back order right now. So the only thing we were waiting on is downpipes, and then I don't know what else he's going to buy. I think we're going to tune it, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, we're waiting on downpipes. Everything else is done. We started it, we let it run for a few minutes. You know, it's just misfiring like crazy because it's open headers right now and doesn't have any O2 sensors. So we're gonna be, it's probably gonna be a few weeks until we're able to get any of that stuff. So unfortunately, this video will just have to be dragged out. Or it won't be dragged out, you just won't see it for a month. Who knows, Troy? All right, we'll see you on the flippity flip. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. Peace.